Hello my dear foodies. Today's recipe is South Indian authentic mango pickle. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to support me. I have got the mangoes from the local market and got them chopped into the right size with the help of a vendor. Next, I have dried them on a cloth so that any moisture content present will get dried. Now peel off the layer of seed and clean all the pieces thoroughly using a cloth. You can see the quantity of mango pieces I used. Measurements play key role in this recipe. I used this measuring cup and I got 7 cups of mango pieces. Now add 1 cup of salt, 1.5 cup of chili powder, half cup of frangic seeds powder, 1 cup of mustard seeds powder. These are the ready-made powders I have bought from the market. Next, I have used about half cup of peeled garlic pods, handful of frangic seeds. Take a few garlic pods and add about 1 teaspoon of chili powder and grind them and add them into the pickle. Now add 2 cups of sesame oil, about 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Now mix all these ingredients well. Remember, no water should come in contact with the pickle or else the pickle will get spoiled. Measurements of all the ingredients are in accordance with the 7 cups of mango pieces. Now close it with a lid and store it untouched for about 3 days. So after 3 days, this is how the pickle looks. Check for seasoning now and adjust salt and chili powder and oil accordingly. If you want, you can add the garlic pods extra. You can see how lovely the pickle is looking. It's looking so tempting. You can just have it with some hot rice. So our pickle is ready now. Store it in a airtight container or a ceramic jar for long lasting taste. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications of my upcoming videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.